What is up, guys? It's Scott with Never Hedge back for another Metamaterials update, and today is looking pretty fucking terrible from a holding standpoint. If you're looking to buy more, it is an absolute gift because we are down 9.43% so far today. We've still got plenty of trading day left here. It's only just about 2 o'clock, down 33 cents so far. Almost into that oversold category on the RSI here. And MACDs are looking terrible. Tons of red volume today from weak hands and short sellers here. Not much to feel good about if you're checking your trading account looking for profits. But let's go right into the Ortex data. So we do have a signal here from June 22nd, and as a short squeeze signal, hasn't happened yet, but the T+21 dates are coming up this week, so anything is possible. And we do have 17.64 million shares on loan, still utilization rate at 50.5, and free float on loan is down a bit to 7.49%. And let's check out the dark pool data on this. Metamaterials here. Dark pool shorts are down 70 million, 70.3 million so far. Position is, they've got 18.7 million shares, and net short volume is minus 5.75 million. And so we can see as the short volume is going up, the price obviously is going down in correlation to that. Let's take a quick peek at the short interest here on Fintel. So short volume is going down a little bit on this now. So they could be starting to exit their positions as we are coming into those T+21 dates this week. Short volume is down to 22.9%, and the short interest percentage of the float is down to 11.16. It was as high as like 70%, something crazy like that. So that is encouraging. Short squeeze score down to 60.43, and we are dropping like a stone on the short squeeze rankings list. And the short shares availability has stayed just about flat. We're bouncing back and forth between 3.5 million and like 4.3, 4.4 million, bouncing back and forth between that. And the short borrow fee rate is continuing to drop from the high of 135% a couple of weeks ago down to a paltry 5.86%. We do have a couple of things to get to, a couple of theories here. And this one, Papa George tweeting about 10 Qs and insider ownership here from a Chrome Crayon just a couple of minutes ago. So I guess someone was shitting on George on Twitter, saying that Metamaterials had super low insider ownership, and he promptly put them in their place, applying to someone, and he says, they haven't updated their data yet. For example, I currently own more than 11%. We are told the next 10Q filing should fix some of the data discrepancies. Hope this helps. At first glance, this means nothing. It's a reply. That's it. First, look at his history of replies. He doesn't reply much to just anyone, but let's dig a little deeper here. And here he's hinting at the, or allegedly hinting at the merger here by pointing out after hours trading on these stocks here. Chrome Crayon then continues, remember this? I'm assuming most people went along with the idea that this was hinting at the merger that suddenly happened after hours. But think about the future dates, 40 days after the merger. That would land us just before August 10th. Now, what's so special about August 10th? That's MMAT's earning date, aka the day they released their 10Q after hours. Remember, George didn't find this chart, he made it. What does it say at the top? Percents of trades over their respective earnings days. George has been telling us that this is a process. If you don't believe him, leave. You should not be investing in a company that you think has incompetent management. Even at a huge loss, you can make your money back faster by finding a stock with competent management. If you think you know the industry and process better than George does, and go create your own company. Otherwise, stop complaining. LOL. This is reading a little bit like a QAnon post, but it does have some fairly good data in it. Interesting theory, at least. Let's go to one more about the T+21 and T+35 cycles. This is from about an hour ago from RKMK. Hey you, do you know about the reg show T+21 and 35 cycles? Do you see what AMC is doing today? Just for reference, AMC is up 11%. Friday, June 18th was a big day for call options landing in the money, especially for AMC, and everyone was waiting for the gamma squeeze right after, but they kicked the can. They didn't buy them, and AMC landed on the threshold list for a good chunk of the month, but today is the T+21 on the FTD cycles. Count the trading days, including Independence Day, and look at her run. The TRCH/MMAT merger happened the following week, June 25th. The preferred shares should be due next week, and if the SHFs can't cough up those shares on their naked shorts, they should be margin called, which again could take a few days. T+5. They might get an extension to T+35, but same deal. I mean, all this could go up in flames in the secret ingredient is crime kind of way, but there is no point panicking until like halfway through August at most, and my instinct says T+35 likely won't come into play because of the merger. I'm not a financial advisor, and this is not financial advice. The market rewards the patient and those who know how to buy low and sell high. Here is an interesting point. Didn't the T+35 happen to Newegg like 2 weeks ago? Yes, it did, and it squeezed beautifully. T+35 is in play August 16th-ish. Could be the T+35. The T+21 is going to be for the merger. It's going to be Friday. And then for the dividend, it should be the next Monday. So we're going to have to keep an eye on that. And we are going to be doing just that for you guys. So as always, please make sure you're subscribed to the channel for more updates on Metamaterials as well as other stocks and tokens we like. And I thank you guys so much for watching this far, and I'll see you in the next video.